welcome to Barrack Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today I've got a very special opportunity for you. It is a beautiful black edition Mitsubishi Pajero Sport, and as you can see, this kind of condition on this kind of kilometers, it is a one-of-a-kind kind of find. So I'm going to walk you around the car, show you some of the features, and as you can imagine, the conditions are absolutely spot on. So being a black edition, you do get that black nudge bar right in the front there, probably valued at over $1,000, so that's a whole lot of added value there. Now the black edition also gets this black front grille there, which looks absolutely stunning on the front. You've also got these sharp headlights with the DRLs in them and that projector bulb, which is going to give you a very clear cutoff. Now the glass badging on the front tells me the car has also got adaptive cruise control. Awesome fit out for this vehicle is that smoke bonnet protector on the front there. That's just going to protect your bonnet and windshield from stone chips. Having a look at that first black alloy wheel there, as you can see, very nice design, and in that black contrasting with the white paintwork does look absolutely stunning. As you can imagine, the wheels are all completely unmarked. We've also got a snorkel fitted to this, genuine Mitsubishi accessory, and it is going to improve the airflow into your engine. Now being the black edition, you also get fold-in mirrors, so as you can see, just pressing the button does unlock your car and unfold the mirrors. And if we have a look on the inside, very comfortable leather seats in here as well. If we look down at the door, as you can see, even though it was an ex-demo vehicle, the doors have very minimal scuffs on them. Down below the doors, you have also got side steps to help you get into the vehicle. Now the back windows are just privacy glass, however I would recommend getting window tint because then you get the benefits of UV protection as well. We've got weather shields fitted to the front and back of both sides, so that just gives you the freedom to put your windows down a little bit in rainy weather without worrying about getting wet. And if you're like me and you get a bit claustrophobic when the windows are up, that's definitely a helpful feature. That next wheel there, once again completely unmarked, still plenty of tread left in the tire as well. If we pan up to the roof quickly, something else the black edition gets is those black roof rails and the black spoiler on the back there. Making our way to the back now, as you can see, very large back end to these Pajero Sports. You've got those sharp taillights that take up very minimal space, however they are nice and tall, so gives you plenty of space and visibility that way. You've also got a genuine Mitsubishi Pajero Sport tow bar on the back there if you did want to tow anything. And if we open the boot up, something awesome about the way the back of these Pajero Sports is designed is the clean 50-50 split of these seats. So pulling that tab there does let you fold the seat down. Now it is actually fitted with, this tab as well to fold the middle row up, this tab fold the seat down. As you can see, you have got the genuine Mitsubishi cargo liner as well, so that's just going to protect all the carpeting behind the seats. So another added feature to help you actually protect your investment. Closing that back up, make our way along this side of the vehicle now. Next alloy wheel, once again completely unmarked, and the fuel filler cap is on this side. Now in that pearl white, the white black edition does look incredible. Probably actually the best looking black edition in my opinion, and it's quite rare that you find one in this kind of kilometers or in this kind of condition for this kind of value. Next wheel, once again completely unmarked, so what we're going to do now is open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Look under the bonnet now. What we have here is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre turbo diesel engine. It is an 8-speed automatic built to give you an absolutely beautiful drive. Now the vehicle itself does have a 5-star ANCAP safety rating with 7 airbags. The power output from this engine is 133 kilowatts with 430 newton meters of torque, which is going to give you plenty of torque for towing. The fuel economy from this vehicle, the diesel fuel tank holds 68 litres. You get 8 litres per 100 on average for your fuel economy, and the average fuel distance, depending on how you drive and what you're towing, is about 850 kilometers. Alright, taking a look inside the Pajero Sport now, just on the driver's side door here, you do get your 4 power window controls. Now the front driver's side is automatic up and down. Something I will point out, speaking about the condition, as people have been getting in and out of this vehicle a lot, there are some very minor scratch marks there, but nothing really too concerning. You've got your central locking button there, your window lock button next to it, and behind the steering wheel here you've got forward collision mitigation, your parking sonars and your traction control options. Now next to the engine ignition button, you've got the controls for your power mirrors, so if you wanted to fold them in manually, you have got a button there to do it for you. You've also got your engine ignition, as I said, so foot on the brake and press the button to start the car. On the right hand side here, you've got your indicators and automatic headlights, and on the left hand side, your washers and automatic wipers. Now the steering wheel itself, Mitsubishi's design of the steering wheel is absolutely beautiful, that comfy leather kind of feel, very easy to hold. In terms of what you get on the steering wheel, you've got your cruise control settings and speed limit adjust here. You've also got your adaptive cruise control button, a button that kind of looks like two credit cards, which lets you to change what you see in the digital display between the clusters, and a back button to scroll back through those menus. On the left hand side, you've got your media controls and hands-free call settings. Now behind the steering wheel itself, you have got two paddle shifters if you wanted to switch through gears manually. Having a look in the center display now, we have got your radio settings, so AM and FM radio, digital radio, USB and Bluetooth connectivity. You've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto if you wanted to connect your smartphone and mirror it up on the screen. Just below that, you've got your dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a separate temperature to what you have. Below that again, there's your rear diff lock, rear air conditioning, and a 12-volt socket as well. Now the shifter itself, if you bring it down into drive and push it to the left, you can actually switch through the gears manually. And behind that again, we've got downhill descent control, your forward drive settings, and your four-wheel drive selector. So super select four-wheel drive, you can change it on the fly. You have also got an electric park brake there. Behind that again, two cup holders and a leather wrapped center console. And if we have a look inside, you've got two USB ports, an HDMI input, and an actual plug point there as well. Now, in terms of the interior condition, as you can imagine, on this kind of kilometers, the car has been looked after really well. It is still in really good condition, so well done to the new car team for actually looking after this vehicle. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this beautiful black edition Pajero Sport. As you can see, in this kind of condition, you are going to want to do your part to protect it. So ask us about the glass coat, because that will give you a lifetime protection on your paintwork. It will also give you a lifetime of protection against a variety of different environmental damages. So please do your part and protect your new investment. The other thing is, you want to ask us about our premium mechanical protection plan, because that's going to give you an extra 5 years on top of your new car warranty on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. It will also give you 10 years of platinum roadside assist, unlimited claims, $3,600 per claim, and much, much more. Now, although these things are additional costs, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about finance and help tailor a package to suit your needs. If you have any questions about anything I've said today, please give us a call on 99070555. Just before I go, have a look at our Google reviews, 4.8 stars with over 980 reviews from customers Australia-wide. So people enjoy dealing with us. We make the process easy, and we ensure that you are getting into a good quality vehicle from the right people. So once again, the number is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.